two girls are chilling by the bridge, just talking normally. But little do they know, someone's watching. A prankster sneaks in quietly and drops a tiny hidden speaker behind them. And suddenly, brrr, the girl in white instantly starts laughing like crazy. She turns and looks at her friend like, "Was that you?" The other girl is shocked, confused, totally innocent. Now cut to the next scene. Three friends sitting together, enjoying the moment. But guess who's back? The same guy secretly places the speaker behind the girl. And boom! Another loud fart sound. Both guys lose it laughing. They start blaming her instantly. She's like, "Brew, I didn't do anything." Meanwhile, the prankster is hiding, enjoying every second of chaos. Like, comment, subscribe for more insane pranks.